How to edit a bank statement in PDF format online.
Hello, and welcome to our video. Today, we're going to talk about editing a bank statement in PDF format online. This process can be helpful for a variety of reasons, such as adjusting a mistake, altering the layout, or changing personal details for security purposes. Remember, however, it is illegal to falsify information on a bank statement, and this tutorial is meant for legitimate and ethical uses only.
What will you need?
First, you'll need a digital copy of your bank statement in PDF format. Next, you'll need an online PDF editing tool. There are a lot of options out there, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you're using a generic, easy-to-access tool. The exact time it takes to edit a bank statement in PDF format online can vary, but the process we're going to describe should take between 10 and 30 minutes, depending on the complexity of the changes you need to make.
How do you upload the PDF?
The first step is to upload the PDF document to the online editor. Usually, there is an option labeled Upload or Open File. Once you click on it, you can navigate to the location of your bank statement on your computer and select it. After the file is uploaded, the PDF will appear on the editor's interface.
How to edit the document?
This process will depend on the particular editing tool you are using. Typically, you can select the text you want to edit by clicking on it. Once the text is selected, you should be able to type in your changes. Most online editors also allow you to add, move, or delete images, which can be useful if you need to alter the layout of your bank statement. Always make sure you double-check any changes you make for accuracy.
How to save and download the edited PDF?
Once you've made all the necessary edits, it's time to save and download your edited bank statement. Usually, there is a button labeled Save, Download, or Export. Clicking this button should save your changes and initiate the download of the edited PDF to your computer. And there you have it. You now know how to edit a bank statement in PDF format online. Remember that the total time required can vary, but with a bit of practice, you should be able to accomplish this in about 10 to 30 minutes. Remember, this knowledge should be used responsibly and legally. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you.